CBR 650, eh? This one looks a lot more bloody techy compared to that one over there.
It's got traction control,
It's a daily bike, man.
Yeah, it's modern.
Fuck, this one's nice too, like really nice. Alright, so I'll pull that cover off. Because this is, so there's a Helicoil kit. It fits perfectly, and I'm going to fix that thread there. I can do it properly.
Yeah.
So what did you do? You pulled it. This should be right. I'm hoping it doesn't take. I'm pretty.
Yeah. CRC here.
There's a little cover. Oh, I got CSC in the car. I just want to check it because.
I'm just thinking.
It looks like there's still thread in there, but you still. I would still do it. Like.
Yeah, it's still got a little bit left, man. It's in the very last bit.
This is to hold this, not the plastic. It's to hold the whole thing.
Yeah.
So it has to be tight.
Yeah, it has to
because
be.
otherwise.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was a bit worried. Like,
as long as the Loctite's on there, it should be alright now. From after today, but it's still got thread. But I'll still probably fix that anyway. See, it's still pulling it out.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah, look,
yeah,
it's already pulled it out.
You can. I was pulling out like.
Well.
Metal bits. And
the risk with drilling it here.
Yeah.
You see how it's very, very shallow.
Yeah, dude, I'm so scared of that, man. I'm just thinking, let's not, oh my god, if this.
Because the thing is,
yeah.
See how it's on the engine block.
Yeah, it's in the engine block. So
if it fucks it,
yeah,
it fucks the engine block, and then that's a worry there. That's what I'm looking at here.
Yeah. Look, man.
And they're all like that. Because these ones would be fine if they went through. You could drill. You could go all the way through and just put a nut on the other side.
Yeah.
But the other one, this one goes straight to the block. But you just have to be, because it's not. Helicoils are really shallow. See, they hook in. So you only need to do the very.
Yeah.
So it should be fine.
Yeah.
I should be able to do it.
Yeah.
But I gotta pull all that stuff out first.
Like all the fucking bolt that I threaded, it's that one. Right straight to the engine block.
That's alright. Happens, man, buddy. Like fucking, this is so common on anyone's car, cars and bikes alike.
Yeah.
It's not too bad to see because it's only shallow, so I just have to. So where's the drill bit? Where's that? Oh, that's alright. Well, I've done a few of these, but. Really slow. Need that.
Oh, I gotcha. Yeah. So that's basically.
You just need that face to start it. See how it looks good now?
Yeah.
But I need that all the way in there to this side because this tightens not only just that plastic, but it tightens the face on too. So when you put the Helicoil on, you've got to put this face all the way flat against the Helicoil until it starts, until you get that against there. Now I can move it and try and drive it in. But usually the right way to do this I would have to remove the whole cap, and that way.
They got it's like I sent him the photo.
Yeah.
Like they will probably end up charging you dismantling cover, grading the fluids, and all that shit.
Okay,
Just to retap one fucking bullet.
yeah, man. Unfortunately, because it's where it is, it can be risky, I guess. But I think that's in the cover now. I'll just go a little bit further, make sure.
Yeah.
I mean, these cameras are useful as they. But
Dude, you want to use this fucking phone for your.
I'm just having a look.
You want to use this camera? This has a fucking zoom. You probably will see inside.
We'll give
Up
way
it looks
first.
out, yeah.
I said it for that.
Yeah.
That's they're all tight now.
They're all tight. That's what I'm saying, man. If that bottom one is not sort of.
Right. So I usually put a little like torque strike on there too.
Yeah.
So that because then you can.
There's the Arvo, mate. Fucking dead. Oh. Man. This is quite like that. Oh yeah, Canberra bomber. Wow, look at that. Let me know, then I'll like tell you.
Alright, so it's drove. Keep an eye out for that. Here you go. Is that there?
These are all the experience riders.
Yeah, bro.
And Joey talk over the young green.
Hey? Oh, yeah. Fuck, that's hectic, bro. Here's Joey here. There's Joey there. There you go.
Flame there.
look at it.
Fucking quick, man. Fuck yeah. It was good, man.
You did good, man.
Fuck yeah. You got quick as well. Good. Alright, go forward again. Go forward.
Did you overshoot the duck nose? Yeah. I'm like, hey, that was kick through. Heaps quicker, man.
Oh, dude. That line's made it so
The
much.
first couple of laps,
Yeah.
probably a long way.
Yeah.
Oh, a bit of sparks flew on the racetrack.
It's front tire and one side.
Shit. Last corner. Yeah. Oh, how's your tyre looking, man? Oh, yours are not too bad. There's a lot of right turns, but Joey's here on his tyre, like it was really worn out, man. These ones are not bad. That's not handling it, eh? Too soft. Different experience when you're actually behind the bike.
The engine's gonna explode, you know?
Well, you're right, and that's all it is. It's two wheels and an engine, man, and a fuel tank right between your crutch. Jesus Christ. Actually, when you think about it, it's fucking terrifying.
And he just fucking keeps taking it and taking it. He just loves it, man.
It's a Honda, man. Fucking, apparently you can pull these things apart over 1,000,000 kilometers and the hailing marks will still be in the cylinder. Love it, you know. But it sounded like you were getting it up there. Like, it definitely sounded hectic.
I got up to over 200k.
Might have to get one of these for the soarer. Have to be in a Zuzu though, eh? Let's get into it, mate. I don't know, but I can remove it at any time.